Vision. The St. Thomas College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology as a premier local institution in Southeast Asia. Mission: infuse wholesome values, core values to the teaching and non-teaching staff of STCAS. 2. Equip graduates with knowledge, skills, and attitude toward the global competitiveness. Goals: provide a quality industry-needed and tailor-fit educational program. 2. Espousing an educational and cultural excellence. 3. Instituting sufficient human and financial resources and compliant facilities. 4. Institutionalizing research culture across discipline. 5. Establish collaboration among stakeholders and members where respect, values, and support are paramount. 6. Implement program for community improvement and development. Values: efficiency, excellence, perseverance, humanist, integrity.